Welcome to Math with Mr. J.
In this video, I'm going to cover how to convert 3/8 to a percent. Now, when we convert a fraction to a percent, we can start by dividing the numerator, the top number of the fraction, by the denominator, the bottom number of the fraction. This will give us a decimal. Once we have that decimal, we convert it to a percent by multiplying it by 100. And a quick way to multiply by 100 is to move the decimal twice to the right. So we need to start by converting this to a decimal by dividing. So for 3/8, we can set this up as 3 divided by 8. And now we can go through the division process. So we have 3 divided by 8. How many whole groups of 8 in 3? How many 8s in 3? Well, we can't do that. So we need a decimal and a 0 in order to work through this. And I'm actually going to extend the division bar as well. Now, once we have that decimal and the 0, we can bring the decimal straight up into where the quotient, the answer, will be. And now we can think of this as 30 divided by 8. So how many whole groups of 8 in 30? How many 8s in 30? Well, 3. That gets us to 24. And we need to put the 3 above the 0 since we used that 0 and thought of this as 30. And that's going to line us up correctly. Now we multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract 30 minus 24 is 6. Now we don't have a clean-cut 0 there at the bottom, so we can continue on by using another 0 that we can bring down. And now we have 60. 60 divided by 8. That's going to be 7. That gets us to 56. So we put 7 up top there, and now we multiply. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract 60 minus 56 is 4. So we still don't have that clean-cut 0, so we can use another 0 that we can bring down in order to continue on. Now we have 40. So we have 40 divided by 8. That gives us 5. Now we multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract 40 minus 40 is 0. So we have that clean-cut 0 there at the bottom and nothing else to bring down within our problem. So we are done. 3/8 equals 375 thousandths. Now we need to convert this decimal to a percent by multiplying it by 100. And again, we can multiply this by 100 by moving the decimal twice to the right. So let's rewrite our decimal off to the side here and move the decimal once, twice to the right. This gives us 37.5%. 3/8 equals 37.5%. So there you have it. There's how to convert 3/8 to a percent. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.